Welcome to Saudi Arabia. Hlan shlan bekayem fi lum olku lurbik lozwadig. Ahlan wa salan bikum fi al-Mamlaka al-Arabiya as-Saudiya. In this video, we'll take you on a journey to discover the rich culture, customs, and beauty of this incredible country, while introducing you to the Arabic language. Saudi Arabia is the largest country in the Middle East, home to over 35 million people and the Arabic language. Arabic is the official language, with modern Standard Arabic used in formal settings and regional dialects like Hijazi and Najdi spoken locally. Saudi culture is deeply rooted in hospitality and tradition. Guests are welcomed with dates and Arabic coffee, symbolizing warmth and generosity. Traditional clothing such as the thobe and abaya reflects the country's rich heritage. Daily life in Saudi Arabia revolves around customs and religion. Visitors should be mindful of prayer times, modest dress codes, and respectful behavior during Ramadan. And don't miss trying kabsa, a delicious rice and meat dish that's a local favorite. Saudi Arabia offers a unique blend of ancient history and modern attractions. Visit the UNESCO World Heritage Sites of Al-Ula and Diriyah, relax along the Jeddah Corniche, or experience the thrill of a desert safari. Learning Arabic can transform your experience in Saudi Arabia. Start with simple phrases like shukran, thank you, ma'a as-salama, goodbye, kamal thaman, how much is this? With each word you learn, you'll feel more connected to the people and culture. Saudi Arabia is a land of history, hospitality, and adventure. Discover its wonders and enrich your journey by learning Arabic. Start your language and cultural adventure today. El-Q fi el-Swadig, ila alika fi Saudiya. See you in Saudi Arabia. Learn Arabic, explore Saudi Arabia. Begin your journey today.